Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Christian Donaldson's thumb gating trick. Christian Donaldson is a recording engineer and music producer. Also, he is known for being the guitarist of the legendary death metal band Donaldson. Also, Christian has wonderful videos and courses on Nail the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing and mastering metal music. The link will be in the info box of this video. So, in our today's video, we are going to take a look at Christian Donaldson's thumb gating trick. First of all, let's have a listen to our thumbs. So, as you may hear, our thumbs have a little bleed, and we are going to use Christian Donaldson's thumb gating trick to make our thumbs sound perfectly clean without any bleed. First of all, let's take a look at our high thumb. To use Christian Donaldson's thumb gating trick on our high thumb, we have to create a key spike for our high thumb like this one. On our high thumb audio channel, first of all, we're going to use FabFilter Pro MB. So here we're going to be using expander, and here we're going to be using exit mode of our expander. We are going to sidechain our Pro MB to our high thumb key spike, and we're going to be using pre-fade mode for our sidechaining. And finally we have to adjust threshold up to our taste. Now let's have a listen to our high thumb. And let's have a listen to our high thumb without FabFilter Pro MB. So, as you may hear, we have some little bleed in our high thumb, and when we are using FabFilter Pro MB and when we are sidechaining FabFilter Pro MB to our high thumb spike, so now we don't have any bleed in our high thumb audio track. To make our high thumb sound even more cleaner than after FabFilter Pro MB, we are going to use FabFilter Pro Gate. And here we are going to use sidechaining, again to sidechain our FabFilter Pro Gate to our high thumb spike, and here for sidechaining we are going to use exit mode. Now let's have a listen to our high thumb. Now after using FabFilter Pro Gate on our high thumb, we have perfectly clean high thumb audio track. So here we can see that the fundamental of our high thumb is around 140 Hz. Then we are going to use SSL channel, and here we are going to boost some lows around our high thumb fundamental, which is 140 Hz. Also, we are going to cut some mid lows, and to add some air to our high thumb, we are going to boost some mid highs around 5 kHz, and we are going to boost some highs around 10 kHz. Now let's have a listen to our low thumb. So first of all, we are going to use again FabFilter Pro MB, and again we are going to sidechain our low thumb audio track to our low thumb spike. Now let's have a listen to our low thumb. Here again we are going to use expander, and here we are going to use exit mode, and we have to adjust threshold up to our taste. After FabFilter Pro MB, we are going to use again FabFilter Pro Gate, and again we are going to sidechain our FabFilter Pro Gate to our low thumb spike, and again we are going to use exit mode for our sidechaining here. Now let's have a listen to our low tom. So now our low tom sounds perfectly clean, without any bleed. Then we're going to use FabFilter Pro Q3 to find fundamental of our low tom. So our low tom fundamental is around 96 Hz. Now we're going to use SSL E-channel to EQ our low tom. And first of all, we're going to boost some lows around our low tom fundamental, which is 96 Hz. Then we're going to cut some mid lows. And to add some air to our low tom, we are going to boost mid-highs around 5 kHz, and we are going to boost highs around 10 kHz. And finally, we can do the next trick about our toms. So first of all, we can duplicate our high tom. And here we can use any sample. We can use Slate Trigger 2 to use any tom sample. And to add some attack to our main high tom audio track, we can cut all lows of our high tom trigger. And the same trick we can do about our low tom. So first of all, we have to duplicate our low tom, then we have to use Slate Trigger 2 to use any tom sample, and finally by using SSL E-channel, we can cut all highs of our low tom. And in this case, by cutting all highs of our low tom, we are adding more low end to our main low tom audio track. Finally, let's have a listen to our toms in our drums mix. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you. Again, if you want to learn from Christian Donaldson how to mix metal music, you can check out his courses on Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. And see you next time.